Hey guys, so I'm driving, but I'm about to go meet Gabby. We're gonna go to this Thai restaurant, so I was just letting you guys know what's up. We're gonna go to this Thai restaurant in Wilton Manor. I'm excited for it, and I'm hungry as hell, so I'm ready to eat. But hopefully, please, fingers crossed, you guys know, or at least you should know by now. Well, I've never told you guys this before, but I hate eating out and then the food is trash because I cook well myself, so I'd rather not do that at all and pay other people to make food that I can make myself. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know what's up. And the lighting's not that good here, but I need a what do you call it, holder, a camera holder for my phone, I mean for my camera. So if you guys have like a suggestion for the Canon EOS R stand for your car, then let me know, because I need to get one. But my camera's so big, like my dilemma with having this big DSLR is that like I want to give you guys quality, but I have a vlog camera. It's the Sony 6400, but like I don't know if I want to do that, you know, like because my camera, the lens isn't as good. So yeah, but anyway, I'm driving and this is not safe, so I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm here. Gabby's not here yet. She's like 10 minutes away. We dressed really casual for this place, but it's alright. It's cool. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi, I'm here. Can I get a table for two?
Oh, sure. You gotta sit outside. We have inside as well.
Inside, fine.
Alright.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna edit a little bit. I have this TikTok to make in the meantime. But it's really cute in here. My friend's coming.
Oh, sure.
Do you guys have Thai red curry? Red curry
Oh yeah, we do.
and tofu?
Here. Red curry.
Okay. Thank you.
Trust me, I'm starting to realize and look beyond my fears. The sun keeps on turning to twilight. Baby, we don't have long. It's been forever. Gonna take forever. It's been forever. Trust me, I'm starting to realize and look beyond my fears. Sun keeps on turning to twilight. Baby, we don't have long. I can't keep my hands off you all night. Baby, don't be afraid. When last did we feel this close?
Alright, let me try this. I'm so hungry. I know. When did you come here before?
Come here, like, I don't know, but the reason why So we started looking for food, and I found this place.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my god, this food is bomb. And then I was like, you need to go actually eat over there.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I'm around, if I can, but I haven't been here in a minute.
So good. Like dipped in the whole thing.
On the way, you were nice and drenched.
That was an accident. Thank you. I know.
And you already kind of lived up to, you know, like when you kind of live that your life. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
I was actually thinking about that on the road here. I was like, once you start doing certain things, like manifesting it inside, then it starts to come around you. But I wasn't really thinking about it for myself.
Yeah.
I was just thinking about it in general. But like, cause I want nice things. Like, not because I just want it, but like, I want it.
You look good in it.
Thank you. All right, guys, I tried this tea and it tastes so good. Like.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my food now.
This looks so cool.
It's a little salty, but
Is it? But because you guys are bad.
yeah, it's good.
How's everything so far?
We haven't tasted it
Oh, okay.
because we're taking pictures.
But it looks pretty.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
Trust me, I'm starting to realize and look beyond my fears. The sun keeps on turning to twilight. Baby, we don't have long. I can't keep my hands off you all night, all my love.
Hey guys, so I came back here again today with Elijah. So yeah, the food was really good. They messed up an order that I took to go yesterday, but they fixed it with no problems at all. And we're just sitting here.
We're not used to that.
Yeah,
We're used to backlash and
I
fight.
know. And they like brought water and everything for us. So
The customer service here is amazing, and the food always tastes great.
yeah, I'm really glad that I found this place. It's called Tie Me Up, and it's in Wilton Manor, South Florida. So yeah, it's really good. We'll see you guys soon. We're just gonna eat.
3, 2, 1. Hi, welcome to Tie Me Up at Wilton Manor. See you guys.
And tell them your name.
My name is Shane.
And that's the manager, the
Yeah,
owner.
I'm the manager of Tie Me Up.
Yeah, he was awesome and
Alright.
he gives really great service.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn.
Stop it!
Alright, I'll I'll see you guys. I gotta go.